Finally, the ultimate Mustang is being built, guys. I'm so happy with this. It took like 6 months, over 500 hours of work time, and it's so satisfying. This is the ultimate Mustang ever. From 4.6 engine to the 5.0 Coyote. It will be supercharged afterwards. The interior is completely changed to 2014 interior, which is the Shelby. The transmission, the TR6060, the best in my opinion. Who could look at this and think that this include all this part, all these modifications, all these things? So why do I call it the ultimate? Because the Coyote Gen 2 is the best to give you the performance with the fuel economy and the efficiency. Of course, when we talk about the horsepower, we don't think about the economy, but for the people who they are interested to make their older cars still be efficient and give them more power. The transmission with the six gears is the best in my opinion for also the fuel economy and in the same time the power. And then the interior, the 2014 interior with the Shelby GT 500 dash cluster, it's amazing. You can enjoy all the track app functions. Still, we are talking about the 2008. So for the people who they have the 2005 and up, we can save your car. These old cars are gonna be the future for classics. So what I build now is actually the base information for everyone who want to keep their car in the best condition for the next years. So what are we gonna do? Do this ultimate project. To be able to do this, I had to take everything off. I took off the engine, the transmission, the harness, the interior, completely. It's not like part swap where people change, like for example, the dash without exactly changing everything related to the dash. Just put the old harness from the older generation. In this case, everything was changed. So if your car is 2011 and up, you will save lots of efforts doing this, and you will be able to put the Gen 2. Now, many people, when they put the Gen 2, they actually lose lots of functions from their cars. In this way, what I did and the information I will be delivering to you, you will lose nothing. Absolutely nothing. The ABS will be working, the SRS will be working, the cluster will be fully functioning. In your car, everything will work as original. And this is why I did this project in the first place. I didn't want to do like just put the engine and that's it. I wanted it to swap everything and to be able to have the full function as OEM. Of course, the 2008, or if I would say 2005 up to 2009, components like interior, computers, like if we say the ABS and different modules, are not able to communicate in a proper way with the Gen 2 computer. So, or if I would say the PCM. So that's why I swapped to the 2011, 2014, which we will call a Gen 1 interior, because they are much more advanced and closer in the generation of the Gen 2 PCM and will be able to catch up with it. So together with everything I already built in this car before, like from the suspension systems, from the brake systems, from the differential with the torsion, everything is already ready to have this kind of upgrades. So this made everything even easier. Now, in my opinion, Ford should have had built this car from the beginning. I'm okay with you guys. The Gen 2, Gen 3, cool, but I'm not with the style. The looking of the car, I like this way much better. The ultimate Mustang ever. In the next weeks, I will be posting different videos, step by step. Everything you will need to do to be able to succeed with your car swap. So I will save you lots of headaches, lots of trouble what kind of challenges there will be and how to solve them. 500 hours plus for every step what I did, the cost of every component, the total, everything from the beginning. Of course, this project was a success thanks to, first of all, my family, who have been very patient with me, spending all this time before in the last weeks. And then also, I thank Mr. Khalid, the Imperator, also from UE, the guys who provided me with the transmission, Al Intikhab workshop. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for MGW for supporting me with the shifter. Thank you for fasteners, the guys who provided me with the fueling systems. I can't thank you enough, guys. Last but not least, all the videos you will see where the car was located in the workshop, that is Aparia. Guys, thank you very much for the time, for the tools, for the guys there who shared with me and supported me with all their knowledge. There was like mechanical and modification things from the body, and these guys, they are expert, they know what they do, and they helped me in every step to make able to succeed with the ultimate project. Come with me now. I will show you an overview of everything being done in the car, and then episode by episode you will be able to see every component, how I did it, what kind of challenges was there, and then this will be the reference for everyone. I will be sharing documents, I will be sharing pictures, I will be sharing everything I collected for this project will be shared together with you. Let's start with the first thing, custom headlights, where we started, and then of course the tail light as well to match something modern from the new style. And then if we would say the engine, the 5.0 Coyote. Isn't this amazing? I mean, I'm very sure lots of people already built the Coyote in, but to look at this, this is the Gen 2 PCM which is connected to the system. The speed adjustment device, this you will need it because the transmission TR6060 has a different sensor. We will talk about this. And then the engine, everything is here. The fueling system, we will talk about this part by part. And then of course, the harness, which you will see, this is the important part. This is the fuse box of the 2014, which I get. So, yep, this is gonna be sealed afterward. Of course, this is a shrinking type of cover, so to be isolated with from the water. This is from the engine side, and then the crazy stuff, the interior. You can see the doors panel being changed, fully functional with the original controllers, the modules, everything you need to do this, and then the console from the mid, the dash complete swapped. I can't love enough this GT500. Oh my god, this is so amazing. And then the full dash, everything here. Of course, the seats, I didn't need to change them. The convertible is still the same, and you can see it works fine. You can enjoy. Oh my god, this shifter. Guys, this shifter is so perfect. So perfect. This is a secret, and I will share with you what is this exactly later on. Oh my god, I can't get enough of it. Oh mamma mia. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. What I shared is unique and not so standard. So it could help you and it will save you time. So don't forget, subscribe, activate the notification so you will be notified when my next episodes are out there and you can proceed with your project in the same. See you in the next episode.
He did it. He did it. He did it.